This is the Vivo V15. It costs around 50,000 rupees and I have been absolutely in love with this phone. But before we talk about this, I want you to press the subscribe button, or if you're watching on Facebook, then press the like button. Okay, let's talk about the Vivo V15. When you hold the phone for the first time, the thing that stands out is the appearance. There are no bezels, there is no notch, there is no camera cutout, and there are no punch holes. There is nothing distracting on the screen. It's just a giant screen and goddamn, it looks amazing. I have been dreaming about something like this for years and now it's finally here and I'm very happy with it. It's a 6.53 inches LCD display and even though it is LCD, I'm happy with the quality. The colors are very saturated and the contrast is great. Basically, when it comes to LCD, this is as good as it gets. The resolution is 1080p, so it's very clear and crisp. But again, the thing that makes it amazing is that there are no bezels. Watching something on YouTube or playing a game feels satisfying because nothing is getting cut. There's no notch cutting into the video or there's no button getting hidden behind the notch. It just feels amazing. As a guy who cares about appearances and quality, I have to say I can't be happier. If you have been watching my videos for a while, you know that I care about the home screen. I like to design it my way, and I like to take the full advantage of the display. And I have never wanted to customize a phone as much as this one ever before. The default home screen looks great. The icons are super clean and wonderfully designed. But I feel like there are many things on the screen distracting me from enjoying the display. There are many buttons, the soft keys, the clock, the search bar, so I changed it to this. I prefer a clean, minimal design, with a few icons where the main highlight is the wallpaper. And you can see this looks so good on this phone. I love my interface on this. I keep changing the wallpaper and because the display is so amazing, I keep getting impressed over and over again. So without the bezels or a notch, you might be wondering where is the front camera. And the answer is that it's tucked in behind the display and when you need it, it pops out. It is a mechanical system. And I know people worry about moving parts degrading or stop working over time. But Vivo did very rigorous testing with this. They say this camera tray is good for about 8 years. That's pretty insane. But for me, I'm happy with the system. I prefer this rather than having a notch or a punch hole in a display. That's always there. Primarily that's because I'm not really a selfie guy. I only ever think about taking a selfie when I'm with a group. And so far I've used this camera about 10 times. And most of it was to show people how it works. But if you are a person who loves to take selfies, then I don't think you have anything to worry about. And if you are in a group and you take this out and the camera comes out, usually everyone gets impressed or surprised. So if you are into that, this might end up doing some good for you. Let's talk about the back of the phone, which is also equally impressive as the front. The back has this wonderful gradient and it shows many different colors as the light reflects on it. In my opinion, this looks really great. I've been a fan of phones that look different, and this indeed looks very different. The fingerprint sensor is at the right position, and there are 3 cameras in the back. Overall, the phone is very thin, it's really comfortable to use, and both the front and the back look damn impressive. Lastly, if you care about protecting your phone, the cover that comes with the phone is really great. It's very thick, and unlike most protectors, it doesn't hide the awesome back of the phone. Normally, I get a different protector for my phones, but with this one, I'm super happy. The other main highlight of the phone is its camera. There are 3 camera sensors in the back. One is your main 12 megapixel camera. There's a 5 megapixel depth sensor and also an 8 megapixel wide angle camera. I really like this configuration. I like taking photos of landscapes, so I'm glad there's a wide angle camera as well. On the front there's a 32 megapixel camera, and Vivo always puts a lot of effort in their cameras. There are many different AI modes and features that we will go in depth with in the full review. Lastly, let's go over the specifications of the phone. There's a MediaTek Helio P70 processor with 6GB of RAM. And this was my main concern because I haven't been happy with MediaTek's performance in the past. But this new P70 processor so far has been a big step up. The phone feels incredibly smooth and polished. I haven't faced any lag yet at all, and the app opening animation feels smoother than before. So to conclude, right now I'm really impressed by Vivo. All different aspects of the phone, especially the full view display, have satisfied me. I completely love this phone, and I'm very excited to review this much more in detail. TLDR, Vivo has released another fantastic device. They consistently show that they are at the forefront of innovation, and they bring fantastic features at a budget price. I have really enjoyed my initial assessment of the phone and really look forward to using this phone much more. Thank you for watching. I wanna give a few special shoutouts to a couple of people who helped make this video possible. My friend Rafe, who helped me in setting up the new office, and my friend Mahin for creating this new look for Geek My Day. Please check them out and please subscribe and like my page and all those things, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.